Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This is just a quick tip to help you if you're installing underdeck LED lighting on your pontoon boat. I'm getting this boat back coming together. I've got the new deck and vinyl on, and I'm gonna use the new LED kit for underdeck from pontoonstuff.com. This is the big tip. This is gonna save you a whole bunch of time and stress trying to install this kit. I'm gonna go ahead and install these 3M sticky strips on my deck trim. I'm gonna peel and stick this onto my deck trim while it's still off the boat. And it's gonna make my life a lot easier putting the actual LED strip into this track. So what I do, I know that this is gonna go forward. This is my starboard side. I labeled it when it came off. I'll leave myself a little bit of room. And this deck trim's really nice because I have this little lip at the bottom and a nice flat spot to install it. If I needed to, I could come up a little higher, but I'm gonna go ahead and go right against that lip. And I'm just gonna run it all the way down on that flat spot, but also sort of resting against the bottom lip. And what I'll do is I'll continue with these strips. I'll leave just a couple of inches, maybe up to 6 inches between, and I'll install these just like I did this one all the way to the back, leaving a little space there too. Something to consider, make sure you've got space between your deck trim and your cross members. In this case, I've got a good amount of space. It's gonna leave me room. Sometimes if your cross member comes all the way out towards the edge, doing it like this before your deck trim goes back on the boat is even more helpful. So now, when I install the deck trim corner caps, my lights are already run, my wire's hanging in the back. I just quick hooked it up to test it. It looks great. It's gonna be a fun little ambiance on the water. It sets the mood nicely for an evening cruise. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you when it comes to installing your underdeck LED kit from pontoonstuff.com.